Just before we start the Siyum, I want to invite Rabbi Malka just to let you know a little bit about the summer program and the plans. If you have any questions, you can, of course, ask them right now.
As Hashem, everyone should be safe here. If you're going back, make it back safely. We care about your physical safety, obviously, and your spiritual safety is no less important to us. As Hashem, every year the Rebbeim come in with tremendous Mesius Nefesh and leave their families, and the similar type of experience that we had over Pesach. I think we all saw how amazing it was and how necessary it is and how much it does for us, and it keeps us going. So that multiply it, because the summer is longer and the summer is a lot more difficult also. And the idea, one major idea for us is that everyone should still feel, even if we go back to America, but as long as we can hold on to Eretz Yisrael, as long as we can hold on to our experience in yeshiva and our growth that we had in yeshiva and the type of growth that we know is different than we have ever had in our lives, the longer that we can hold on to it, then the longer it's going to carry us and the further it's going to carry us. We have a program in Deal, as Hashem. The plan is that I'm going to be there, Rabbi Salem is going to be there, Rabbi Sinai is supposed to be there, Rabbi Yishai is going to be in Brooklyn, back and forth. We're there with you. Okay? It's in America, but we're continuing Lev Aharon in America. And everybody has to understand how important it is, but everybody also has to understand that each one of your participation in what we're doing is mechazik everybody else. If it's hard to get a minyan, so then that means for everybody suffers. The more enthusiasm everybody has, the more everybody's coming to be with us for as much as you can. If it's minyanim, so then we'll have minyanim. But the learning, we have learning in the morning. I'll just give you an idea. From last summer, myself and Rabbi Salem, the program is in Beit Yosef. We do it still together with Kesher. And we're there in the morning from 6:15 till about 11, 12 o'clock in the morning. And everybody has different schedules, so we try to work it out, accommodate for everybody. But that's the morning. At night, when people come back from work, and you're back in Deal or you're back in Brooklyn, so that more or less everybody has the same, and therefore we can make something strong, powerful, large groups at night. Baruch Hashem, we have an amazing staff that's going to be there. There's a lot that goes into setting everybody up. It's not just bringing in people and putting a guy, okay, you learn with him, you learn with him. There's a lot of thought that goes into it between all the Rebbeim about who is best for everybody, who can match up with everybody and keep each other going. So everybody has to something to look forward to. As Hashem, not leaving you to the wolves. Everything will be good. We're going to work hard. We're going to have an amazing summer. And please, the most important thing is understanding that what each one of you does affects everybody else too. I don't mean in a bad way, think about it in a positive way. You being there, you learning, your enthusiasm, getting together Thursday nights, weekday nights, weekends, whenever it is. But everything that we do continues to be mechazik, continues what we have. And from our experience in the past, we see that the people who are the most involved have a better chance of success moving forward than if chas v'shalom people slip away, aren't part, don't join. And one last important thing. It's a long summer. Summer is challenging. We know what goes on. It's challenging. It's hard to imagine everyone's going to be perfect all the way through. What everyone has to understand is it doesn't matter. We slip up, it happens. But don't get yourself lost. You're still a part. Continue your kesher with your Rebbeim. Continue your kesher with the program. Your connection with the program. Continue it. You had a mistake, but we have to be able to move past it, and that is why it's so important for everyone to be mechazik each other, because it's going to happen. Someone's going to need someone else's hand at some point to keep them going, and we're all going to need someone else's hand also. Everyone's going to be in the same boat. We should all keep it going, be mechazik each other. Ezra Hashem should daven for the safety of Klal Yisrael, for the health of Klal Yisrael, for the spirituality of Klal Yisrael. Should be able to be zochet to see that v'ra'u kol amei ha'aretz ki shem Hashem nikra alecha. That everyone be able to see that this is Hashem's army, and then bi'aru mi'imeka, and then they're gonna. That's the greatest fear. That's the best that we can do. This is our part. We have to take it seriously, accept that responsibility, and Be'ezrat Hashem, everything will be amazing.